Hello Craft Gin Club members, my name is Mark Strippel. I'm one of the owners of Graveney Gin, the gin of the month. Welcome to our nano bar. It really is a nano bar, but a well-loved part of Tooting Market, one of London's oldest traditional markets. So we're here, the star of the show that you've unboxed. It is our Festive Fayre special edition Graveney Gin. We were inspired to make this particular Christmas Festive Fayre Gin by the area that we're in. Here in Tooting Market, Christmas is a really special place. Lots of the traders come alive. There's Christmas market stalls and festive wares and festive foods. Creates a real ambience around this area of London. So when it came to choosing the flavors for this particular gin, I wanted to exhibit both that citrusy feel for Christmas, but also warm spice. So cinnamon, cloves and nutmeg, just to give that warming Christmas feel. Now when it comes to Graveney Gin, you know, we have a real sense of place. We wanted to illustrate with real detail some of the most important areas to us that influence and inspire us. First of all, you've got the winding gold foiled River Thames all the way through to Putney and Chiswick Bridge. And of course, ending right here with Tooting Market on the front. One final thing about the bottle design that I really want to mention is the stopper up here. So if you wonder what this lamp is a famous landmark of Tooting. If you're outside Tooting Broadway Station and you glance across, you will see the recently refurbished Tooting lamp. And there it is. It's the emblematic symbol of Tooting on all of our bottles. Thank you Craft Gin Clubbers. I hope you enjoy this as much as we do. Cheers.